Hello, hello. How's it going? What are you doing today? Good morning. Good morning. What is the plays? What is the plays? I will say cryptocurrency is still sideways. I'm sorry. 980 billion global crypto market cap right now. Bitcoin still hugging 20,000, 20,100, It is just relatively consolidating at those levels. Ethereum 1500, BNB 278, and of course our favorite Gala. We are looking at 5 cents. So if your entry point was below 5 cents, right now you're pretty much feeling good, and that's what's important, right? Finding entry points, finding exit, um, as well. So that way you can take profits throughout the course of crypto markets, not just long term. Sometimes you got to get into short term plays, weekly plays, whatever it may be. Red Sox, what's going on? Nice to see you, buddy. Oh, let me share my screen here. Oh, wrong one. Oh, there we go. All right. So the other one I want to talk about is Oneinch. I know uh I have looked at Oneinch in the past. I did notice it is 5% down. It does look quite juicy for me to get into because I just believe Oneinch in the long term could um, be beneficial. And the reason I say this is I've had these pumps where Oneinch was $1, right, and it pumped to $1.90. I've taken profit. I've had opportunities where Oneinch went down to 59, pumped up to 70, right? And that was good profit. And now I'm looking at Oneinch where it's back at the 60 5 cent mark. So it's a very interesting area for me. Where am I buying Oneinch? Right now, I buy it right on the exchange. I know I can swap for it, but I have been just jumping on Coinbase or Binance and just buying it. Have found that being beneficial as well. But Oneinch is something I'm looking at. Why? I believe I don't care about crypto drama, but I do watch Better Call Soul and Seinfeld. Better Call Sal and Seinfeld, the Breaking Bad like precursor. So optimize your trades across hundreds of dexes on multiple networks. This is all Oneinch's ecosystem, right? They got Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, AVAX, Phantom, and other ones as well. Never-ending liquidity. Oneinch instantly analyzes thousands of quotes and fees across multiple dexes to provide users with the best rate. You see? Not many swaps do this, right? Oneinch is able to do some of these things others can't. Oneinch DeFi wallet, right? We're talking about in our DeFi space, the amount of things that happen to grow. And here's Oneinch that's already done it. They got the wallet, they got the tools to determine where the best place to swap your tokens is. They got the app, they got the D app. Literally, there isn't too much. So here's their cost checker, right? So it'll find the best one. You can use the Oneinch or you can use the Uniswap. If you're somewhere else, like a different network, you can switch between their networks too. So meaning if I went to BNB, I can choose Cheese Swap or I can choose Oneinch, right? To get the best thing that I can get. Wow, Cheese Swap seems pretty cheap right now. What the heck? Minus 64. What happened? What happened, BNB? Tell me what. Quick swap is Matic. So you know I have Ethereum, we have Uniswap. For BNB, Binance Smart Chain, we have Pancake Swap. Well, for Matic, right? Polygon Matic, we have Quick Swap. And you can switch between those. So a lot of cool things that Oneinch is doing. So I'm definitely looking at it as a entry point sometime today, potentially. And we'll see what happens. So back to cryptocurrencies here. One of the things I want to talk about this morning, a lot of people feel, are intimidated by crypto. They hear crypto, they don't understand crypto, and they come out with all these things that they want to say on, why crypto is going to fail, why it's not going to work, why, all these other things are going to be better than crypto. But it is important to realize when you do crypto is not like something where you have to sit there and monitor it 24/7. Are you going to do better if you monitor it 24/7? Probably. Is it going to make a significant change? Not really. If you're here for the long-term play, you make a crypto investment just like the stock market. Hey, I believe in the graphics card sector. I'm going to invest in the graphics, right? You invest in it now. You're not selling your stock immediately the next day, right? You made that investment. You're going to hold out to it a couple of years, see where that stock goes, and then boom, retirement, right? Why aren't people thinking like that for crypto? It's like this new age is like, oh, I need to go in quickly, make my money, and get out quickly. And it's unfortunate because I've made that mistake, right? Jigsaw, I bought Jigsaw token and I got in quickly, right? Into Jigsaw, and I ended up finding out 3 days later the token pumped even more. But the thing is, I've already taken my profits. Not everyone's gonna be the same way. You know, some people are. Let me see here if I can find Jigsaw Dex tools. Some people are okay and profit is profit. Others get so upset. They're like, oh, I should have held on. I should have I would have made this much. And it is upsetting. I've been there, guys. There's so many tokens that I have watched 1000x that I'm not in. And it happens and it's okay. So the reason I bring this up is we've seen this go to 1 million market cap. It is now at 400,000. So here is the initial, right? So when I bought Jigsaw, I was in the pre-sale. I bought it here. I sold here, right? 305. The thing ended up running all the way to 201. 201. And at that time, this was a great time to sell right here. If I had diamond handed it, I'm relatively back to where I would have sold at, which was around that 400,000 total market cap. So market caps matter to me, right? So what I'm looking for is increasing in market cap. If the market cap goes up, the price is gonna be relatively stable, going higher, right? If the market cap goes down, your price is going down. Most likely. So these things matter. So when I got into Jigsaw, I thought this was a good entry point. And it really is, because even if you did miss your opportunity to sell at the top, you got in at launch, it's still a good exit point. Profit is profit. Some people now are going to hold on to this, assuming this level is going to hold or some other catalyst is going to come out, and that's okay. If you've done that research and you believe this is a long-term play, then leave your money in there, right? There's no such thing as, this play is going to work out, this play is not. If you've done the research and you feel something is going to grow in the future, like me and Red Sox, right? Red Sox and I, we believe in Chronos, we think is going to be very useful for us in the long term. We believe that the current Chronos market cap can go up. And we can see some good profits that we can take out in the future. I'm trying to find Chronos right now. 1 second. Is it 25 now? Where are you at? 26 now? So literally, I think this is the 3 billion, 3 billion, $3 billion market cap, right? So market cap, the total market value of a cryptocurrency circulating supply, right? It's circulating supply times the current price. That's the market cap. Good morning, Selmo Fudd. Welcome. Nice to see you, man. We're just talking about Chronos. We're talking about market caps. We're talking about why everyone's feeling, the way that the sentiment is on Twitter, on our social medias is we need to find quick money. We need to get that quick 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x. And it's like, sometimes that's not true. There are opportunities. Like if you're getting into a pre-sale, you guys know how I feel about pre-sales. I get in, I take my profit, I leave that moon bag. I've always done it. I've done it countless amounts of times. You can watch my wallets from CVC. I think the only one I failed on was Phantom. I don't know if you guys remember Phantom. It was what was Phantom again? Oh man, Phantom was definitely one of the first pre-sales where I got in. I had the opportunity to sell. It was only a 1.3x, but to be honest, the chart was not moving when it launched. That I was like, hey, I should 100% sell it, but I just didn't, and I watched that chart go down, which was my mistake. So I am gonna add a time as well. If I get into a pre-sale nowadays, I will consider, selling within the first 10-15 minutes it launches. I'm sorry, I'm a G. I understand. It is what it is. Do you remember Shaman King? Yes, I remember Shaman King Inu, where people go around and they say Shaman. Yeah, I remember that. So Kronos, a very, very interesting entry point. This is right at 12 cents. Red Sox and I have found entry points at 13 cents. Red Sox bought again at 12. So I definitely am considering this. If I was looking for an entry point, yet again, entry point on Kronos, right? These things. Let me see. Turning wheel. Dude, Luna Classic is freaking killing it, guys. Look at this. It may hit the threes today. I left my moon bag. I took my profit. I'm good, man. I'm good. Let me see Crow real quick. All right, so we're at that bullish thing. Oh wait, I've charted Crow before, huh? I really want to get in under 12 cents. That would be my best entry point. I don't think I'm going to see 10 cents in a bit. But right now it's sitting at 12. Even if it goes to 11, I'm willing, because then I'm just a cent off of 10, and I can watch and wait. That's really what it comes down to. I did put the Fibonacci retracement here to see how it lined up very well here. You see that little bit of support at one point, and now it just broke that support. It's down in the trenches, but we are waiting patiently for it to have that in that bull run again. But I love the fib retracement. It really works very, very well for most of our blue chips in our space. Yeah, keep. Let's see. Shaman King Inu. Whatever happened to Shaman King? Is it still good? Shaman King Inu. I think I think it turned to dust in my wallet, whatever money I put in. Shaman King Inu has performed a token swap. Don't buy this token. Please check the new contract at. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, so this is the new contract, 511K. Yeah, most charts in our DeFi space look like this now, though. The initial launch. So here's a good proof of this, right? Initial launch, sell within like the first 10-15 minutes. It crashes, and now we consolidate at this level where now you have the real investors, So it's almost like, is it even worth getting in on launches on these projects, or just wait for them to consolidate later on? Bitgert Bryce is a good one to get in. Oh yeah, I've heard of Bryce. I've heard of Bryce now. People messing about Rolodex. I have a lot. But Bryce. Bryce. Wasn't there regular Bryce? Ugh. There it is. How we doing? Dude, it is 30% down right now. What is happening? What happened to Bryce? Minting new tokens? What? Big scam. They're only hyping. Bryce, I looked at their car video. The car looked like a family wagon, not the fastest ever. Electric car was ugly, and the video was so amateurish. It was laughable. Bryce, today is a big day for Bryce. Buy the dip before the announcement. Wait, what announcement? No, this seems juicy, man. This thing's down 30%. I wonder how up it's gonna go, or if it's gonna be more of a sell-off. Let me see. Oh man, I had a conversation with Dr. Praveen from Terrarium. So I know Terrarium is a soft topic in our space right now. I've watched Sandstorm's videos. I've watched others in the space, such as Dr. Ravi, the fake doctor, Sandstorm. There's a few of these guys that are talking about. Oh wow, Oscar Ramos, just the beginning. Clear cryptos, be ready. Oh my god. Oscar, we're gonna have to talk. Here is the data, Mr. Milton. Let's see if you will talk about these unaccounted airdrops in your spaces. You are Mini Russ, unaccounted airdrops. So these guys are taking the blockchain and they're addressing a few things. So this is Milton, coming out addressing things. And they're just nice again. Luna Classic, yeah, pumped again. But guys, I did talk to Dr. Praveen. Dr. Praveen indicated to me that this is all FUD. He hasn't sold any of his pre-sale wallets. He doesn't know where this is coming from. And this is some thing he's going to address and talk about. And I think that's pretty good. The best way to get past FUD is to address it. And I don't hate anybody that wants answers. I don't feel that Sandstorm is being disrespectful. It is, he's saying exactly how investors are thinking. A lot of people believe, oh my God, this guy is flooding this token, this guy is flooding that token. But I think the basis of what he's trying to do is they want answers, and those answers haven't come because there hasn't been an AMA, or there hasn't been a way to talk about terrarium. And I think that's what's really going to open up from all this noise that's happening around terrarium right now. So very, very good. Wait, right here, if you had accepted and got scammed and apologized, did a buyback, things would have been different. When you sell native token, you tell why. What? But literally, this is very good for terrarium. I know it is bad press, getting attacked. I've been attacked. My own project I'm involved in gets attacked like daily, right? So I definitely reached out to Dr. Praveen as well, just to confirm and be like, hey, I see you going through this. I want to tell you it's going to get better. Want to reassure him. The guy's doing great. He definitely wants to address what's going on. And I'm inclined to see it, and just like in the beginning, when Sandstorm and Jeremy broke it to us about the 108 wallets and Dr. Praveen owning it, and Dr. Praveen going, yes, these are my wallets in that AMA, and how like the entire community came to him for even more support, right? We have to see what's going to happen this time. So now they're saying something new. We're going to see what Dr. Praveen says, and we'll see how the community reacts. But I do want to have the best for terrarium. I know there's a lot of investors in our space in terrarium. They want that centralized exchange opportunity, and I believe that's what they're going. That's good. That's what they're going for. So I was surprised to hear the bitter truth from my team of 57 members when they approached me this month and asking me to pay them their salaries. When I asked them why, the answers that I got were very shocking. Few said they had to pay mortgage, but put food on their table, pay tuition, family medical requirements. Few even had audacity to say their previous employer from Coinbase and Osiris were paying them more, but they are here for me and Terrarium. You see, I hear things like this. I've been in interview opportunities in the past in the healthcare space where people go like, "Hey, I can't pay you as much as Aetna and Cigna, but you work for I'm just throwing fake names. None of this is true, but if you work for Travelers, uh, you, I'm gonna give you all this opportunity. You're gonna get this and it. But in reality, if you're not getting the same pay as your previous job, why did you go to work there? As a developer, that makes me question things. Unless you really, it's like I'm what are they who's that guy? Like President Trump, you have his fan base. It's like, yes, I don't care what the money is, I just want to be close to Trump. If he's found people like that, that's awesome. I'm very happy for Milton. I was wondering what kind of people are these and how selfish can they be? That's what I don't get. How are they selfish? They're asking for their own um salaries. Like, I'm so confused there. After all, these guys are just coders and developers who work day and night to create a better exchange and a better tomorrow for us. Like, addressing a few things, I literally am very confused. I was wondering what kind of people are these and how selfish can they be? But the real ones that really deserve salaries are certain YouTubers and certain influencers like Rodney, believing in crypto, and few whoever the hat fits, who apparently know more than the development team because they can apparently foresee the future. The unfortunate truth, these people will keep jumping ships. So I'm very glad he addressed that really deserves thousands of certain influencers like Rodney and Believe in Crypto. Because Believe in Crypto is a Twitter. He doesn't have a YouTube. And then Rodney is so Believe in Crypto. This is Rodney. I mean, you're the one who lied in the Binance listing, not me. You see? So Rodney's up right now. So I knew something was gonna happen as soon as these guys wake up. So uh, I did see this. I did see this. Yeah, I know. Dude, attacking Dr. Praveen is just like the attacking Dr. Praveen is just such a big like stake through the heart, It's like, dude, this guy's a doctor, dude. Think about all the people he's helped and saved, and like this is the payback we do. And right now, as far as I know, there is suggestion in our community where people Tequila Pete, believe in crypto, and all the other guys are saying, hey, this is things that are happening. So I definitely am intrigued. Let's see. Not too worried. God damn, it's early and I'm awake. Come, Lunacy, going crazy. Wait, this guy is actually awake right now? What? He really is awake right now. What the heck? How are you awake? That's crazy. I didn't even realize he was up right now. Oh man, that's crazy. Well, that's good. I'm glad. I'm glad to see. Arriving today. What did he buy? I'm just trying to stream SSBU or Zelda and Amazon like nah G 10 p.m. Around by 10 p.m. Terra Classic up 100%. Yeah. 70% up on the day. Oh my. What do these guys know that I don't know? No. I asked them why. All right, so we'll go back to this, right? So when I asked them why, the answer is they were shocking if you said so believe in crypto. So now we're here. The unfortunate truth, these people will keep jumping ships, misleading followers and investors to new projects in which they have a huge percentage of profit. At the end of the day, new projects needs liquidity, so they stir up the pot with stable projects like Terrarium, causing confusion and negativity among the community, which in turn creates commotion and disbelief, driving liquidity to the new projects. They will keep doing this day in and day out. And I know Milton feels like this. I understand why he's saying this. But in reality, I look at it from both ways. I also understand the investor's point of view. Hey, we don't have answers. We're not getting updates. You need to tell us something. So I think it's good they stirred the pot. I think it will be good. Terrarium may go back and give us more updates, and that could be helpful for the community in Terrarium. I don't see anything wrong with that. I know how the space is, and I understand both sides of this argument. I personally call every naysayer about my project to attend the next space and show proof of information if they have the courage to do so, because talk is cheap. The monkey project and Austin did not reach out to me regarding listing on TerraPool. If they would have, we would have accommodated them. What does that have to do with anything? Addressing the new elephant in the room, the marketing wallet is controlled by me since day one. I initiated the sale for salaries and market makers of our listed existing exchanges. Talk to you all soon more in upcoming space. At this point, I don't know if a Twitter space is enough. I would definitely jump on YouTube, or like literally go on to Rodney's stream or one of these YouTuber streams and just fight the um FUD, address it, and then move on. How long are we gonna keep talking about the same thing? Like, let's just get the updates and continue. Ugh. Stable Terra. Why is everyone streaming so effing early today? I have no idea. This is usually what I do. I don't know why everyone's streaming early today, but I know Rodney's got more subs than me, so he's definitely the guy to go to right now. So if you got to watch him, I completely understand. You can come back, watch me later. There's always the recording. 54% of investors sold out of Terra on the first 30 days. Exactly. And to be honest, if you look at most projects, it's like 70% get out within like the first 60 days, you know? It's really not too crazy in our space to realize this. And it's sad. It's sad that this is happening, It really is. It's hard to keep up with crypto. Lovely lie. I still believe in his integrity. Yeah, I did like this. I did make a statement just because I'd watched Sandstorm's thing. I reached out to Dr. Praveen, and he told me his thing, because I like to find out the truth. I'm not just gonna blindly believe whoever tells me what. And unfortunately, that also has hurt me, because I didn't just blindly believe somebody and ended up being true. That's also an issue. So I did reach out. I want to see where this ends up going to, but I'm not too worried about it. I still hold the terrarium. It was X amount at one point. Now I think I'm sitting at $300 worth of terrarium. So we'll see what happens. Not too I'm worried, but definitely I hope good things come out of this. I hope Milton, you know, uh, Dr. Dr. Shaman said, "Good morning, Teddy and Triple G fam. Good morning, man. What's going on? Nice to see you." Let me see here. I do want to go to CoinDesk real quick. So, District of Columbia suing MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor for tax fraud. Oh man. Where was the other one? Helium developers propose shifting network to Solana blockchain months after $200 million raised. So I bought a Helium node miner, and I set it up. I got it through Links dot. So I set it up, and I'm now quite intrigued to see what's going to happen once, or if they shift, because Helium is the one where it's using low range antennas in order to supply a network, which is the people's network, right? All over um, the world. So what I've done is I set up my own Helium node, and I'm trying to get it to mine uh, some Helium, because I think Helium could take off in the future. So we'll see what happens. Helium, real good. Let me see. So here's that. Mythical Games is building an Ethereum compatible chain. I'm already into gaming. I already got Gala. I'm trusting Gala right now as my primary. Can Ethereum out engineer the sensors by shuttering the beacon chain? Gift or grift? I like that. Mythical Games. Let me see. Dude, everything is down right now. It's like it's all red. It's all red. Except Luna Classic, Teddy. Look at Luna Classic's up 66%. We're making so much money right now. Wait, how's Lunatics doing? Because I invested in that. Damn it, Lunatics, I should have sold yesterday. You have an HNT miner too? Dude, I got the one. See, I made my own I got the, what do you call it? The Helium wallet now. I set that up. I have it connected to my miner. So I'm just waiting, man. Once that money come pouring in, my miner's gonna do all this work and it's gonna be great. So yeah, let's see. I think in November HNT was $60. I will show you because you can actually see Helium. So here it is. They're their own thing. We're at $5 right now. In a certain point, we're right at 50, 52, 52.3, right? 52.7. So not bad. Not bad. And here's that initial run, right? And then boom, we're back down here, consolidating, waiting for the next bull run. I was close. You were fine, man. It really was. You were fine. This is the 10x if it goes back to all-time highs. You understand, right? Those things matter. Imagine Helium ends up being like the thing. It's low power, low everything. People powered networks, wireless revolution. Dude, they really started, like, if you look at their they're at like 5G now. They have so many things. Helium Explorer here. All right, let me see. Dude, look at this. Look at this. That's a lot more than before. When we first started looking at this graph versus now, dude, because I live near Mass, Connecticut, right? So it's like there's a lot of network here around where I live, you know? And I could, if we get more and more nodes and this really all fills in, this could be profitable in the future, but this is a lot. All of these greens keep it, all these areas keep expanding. The people's network is being built. Here's Alaska here, right? So we're going over. Yeah. Isn't that crazy, guys? Look at all these. This is Helium. They're literally building the people's network. They're doing it, boys. It's great to see. It really is. Look at this, guys. Big fan. Change the filter on the map. Wait, change it to what? Change the filter on the map? How do you, what? You can see the areas are overcrowded and making less money. Wait, really? There's overcrowd. Oh, I've seen that. I've seen, like, back in the day in the US. Let's see, right. All right, so here's overcrowded 8. How many hotspots are in there? Wait, won't this pop up? No hotspots? Really? Yeah, dude. Now they're getting like 0.42, so that's $2.50. That's not that bad. Why are you taking forever? Just tell me. Bottom right. Oh, what? Daily HNT earnings 7-day average. Wait, so it's red, 0, green. Oh man, this is oversaturated then. Oh, a lot of red. Show me the green. Show me the green. We got some green. We got a little bit of green and a lot of red. Uh-oh. Are we oversaturated, HNT? What are we doing? What's that? Oh my god, this is bad. That is, I mean, it's good we have the network coverage, but that also means they're not getting anything, right? They're not receiving any rewards. Buy upgrade antenna. Wait, so right now the 3 dB antenna, you think I should upgrade it? Because I got the link stat version, you know? Let me show you. dun, 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 dun. Hello, Linkstat, where are you? Are you not on here anymore? OINXDOT. I got a 8 dBi on my roof. What? That's really good, dude. What happened to Linkstat? Late summer sale. All right, so this is the one I got, Linkstat. So I got this Linkstat full hotspot. Came lowest helium hotspot price. See, while stocks last, complete setup. I only got one. I was only able to get one. Best rated helium maker. 40,000 hotspots delivered. Yeah, but why aren't they featured on their website anymore? Come on, Helium. You're supposed to be doing the right thing, man. Wait, did I just am I blind? Link stat? It is there. It's called FXT. Oh, man. There it is. Whew. So this is the one I got. And now they have these 5G ones. So that's why I'm wondering, should I just go for the Cal chip and just get the 5G one? Add another one to my Cal chip is they're way back ordered, right? These guys. V1, where's V2? Dude, these things used to be $500. Now they're selling them for like $250. Oh man, prices have came down a lot. People used to be Bobcat. Yes, upgrade. I got an 8D on my roof. Bobcat 300. Okay. How much is the Bobcat now? Let me see. Bobcat, how we doing? What's the price? Oh wow, they updated their website. Looking good, looking good. Wait, I just want to see the product. You got the Bobcat 300. I want the 500, bro. Can we just? Just give me the price. 429 still. Wait, so how much is their 500? What is this? About industrial grade 5G ready gateway. Plug and play with Freedom Fi. How much? Outdoor bundle, indoor bundle. Give me the indoor bundle. Give me the indoor bundle. Sold out. $10,000. $2,500. Indoor bundle gateway plus Freedom Fi radio. Interesting. Am I gonna say you spend the 2,500 now? Is it really gonna benefit you? You think, Dr. Shaman? Or wait, I have to go. It is time for me to go. Let me get out of here. I will talk to you guys again tonight, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Goodbye. We will talk again. But helium miners looking real good. Bye, guys. Till next time. Check out Rodney's stream if you're looking for someone to watch.